Hi guys, see you again. This is a 5-liter jerry can. Consists of 3 parts. Body, bottom, and neck. Okay, let's get started. First, we make the body. Create the extruded boss command. Then draw a profile with splines and lines on the front plane. Then set each dimension. Okay, drag the arrow. Exit sketch. Select the midplane. Set thickness at 144 millimeters. Okay. Draft on the right plane at a 5-degree angle. Create a spline profile on the front plane. Set the dimensions at 165 millimeters. And 185 millimeters. Drag the spline. Exit sketch. The extruded surface on the front surface of the body. Then convert the outlines. Create a new plane parallel to the right plane. Then create a spline profile sketch. Set the dimensions at 35 millimeters. Set add relation to coincident. Drag the spline. Exit sketch. Then make a surface locked command. Extend surface at 5 millimeters. OK. Copy that surface to the front plane. Then split the body with the 2 surfaces. Create an extruded cut command for the handles on the front plane. Create a profile as on the screen. Choose through all both. OK. Create a profile for the label or sticker section. Set the dimensions at 20 millimeters, 120 millimeters, 150 millimeters, 250 millimeters, 200 millimeters radius, 150 millimeters radius. Fillet 5 millimeters. OK, then exit sketch. Split line profile on the front body surface. Offset surface at 0 millimeters. Then thicken cut at 3 millimeters. Copy the thicken cut command to the front plane. The second, create the bottom, using the extruded boss command. Then create a line and arc profile sketch. Set the dimensions at 9 millimeters, 124 millimeters, 214 millimeters, 5 millimeters, and a radius of 350 millimeters. Exit sketch. Select the midplane, and set it 117 millimeters thick. Uncheck merge result. OK. Draft at an angle of 5 millimeters. Then the fillet command. Split body. Then combine. OK. The third, create the neck. Choose extruded boss, then creates a square profile. Set the dimensions at 100 millimeters and 120 millimeters. Select a vertex. Up to body. Reverse. OK. Create a split line profile on the front plane. Tangent add relation. (27.5 degrees). 15 degrees. 140 millimeters. 30 millimeters. 4 millimeters. Exit sketch. Select split. Then draft at 5 degrees. Fillet at 50 millimeters. And full round fillet. Extruded boss. Offset entities at 5 millimeters. Vertex. 32 millimeters. Select body. OK. Extruded boss again. Make a circle with a diameter of 53 millimeters. And a distance of 43 millimeters. Exit sketch. Choose an offset at 13 millimeters. Up to next. The draft angle at 20 degrees. Check draft outward. OK. Extruded boss with a diameter of 40 millimeters. And 15 millimeters thick. Create ribs 15 millimeters thick. A draft angle of 2 degrees. Check draft outward. OK. Fillet each at 5 millimeters. $20 millimeters. 10 millimeters. Variable radius. 20 millimeters. And 10 millimeters. $3 millimeters. $5 millimeters. $15 millimeters. $3 millimeters. and 7 millimeters. Extruded cut for the bottom. Create a sketch profile, 7 millimeters offset. And 5 millimeters. Fillet at 25 millimeters. OK. Exit sketch. Set depth at 4 millimeters. The draft angle at 45 degrees. OK. Extruded cut again. OK. The last command is extruded boss. Convert sketch 15, then drag the line inside. OK. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it is useful. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends.